Hi kids, we are starting a new chapter number 13, was were from the book English Grammar 2. Read the following sentences. First, I was happy yesterday. So kids, if we talk about the events that has already happened, we use the word was and were depending upon the subject or the naming part. So here you can see I. I is a singular noun. That's why we have used was. With singular noun, we always used was, and with plural nouns or pronouns, we use were. Okay? And they are talking about yesterday, जो हो चुका है पहले ही. मैं कल खुश था. Okay. Second, she was angry yesterday. Now, she. She again a singular pronoun. That's why we have used was here. And we are talking about the thing or the event that is already happened in the past. That's why we have used was. Okay. Third, this cap was there last week. ये कैप यहाँ पर थी last week. In Hindi, was were means था या थी. Okay? Then we have fourth, that mat was here yesterday. यह मैट यहाँ पर कल था. So again, we have used was because mat is a singular noun. We use was and were in place of is am are when we talk of something that has already happened. We use was with nouns or pronouns that are one in number. Was और were is am are की जगह हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हम बात करते हैं ऐसे इवेंट्स की जो ऑलरेडी अकर हो चुके हैं. ऑल्सो वॉज हम उनके साथ करते हैं यूज नाउन के साथ जो सिंगुलर होते हैं, वन होते हैं नंबर में. नाउ read the following sentences. We have some sentences. First, we were happy yesterday. So here you can see we means it is a plural pronoun. It means more than one people. That's why we have used were. हम सब कल खुश थे. Okay. Second, they were angry yesterday. Here you can see they. They is a plural pronoun. That's why we have used were. Third, these caps were there last week. ये caps last week से यहाँ पर थी. Now we have word caps means more than one. Means we are talking about plural noun. That's why we have used again were. Fourth, these mats were here yesterday. Know it. We use were with nouns or pronouns that are more than one in number. हम word वहां पर यूज करते हैं plural noun और pronoun के साथ जो कि more than one in number होते हैं. Okay. We use were with you or more than one noun or pronoun. हम word you के साथ भी यूज करते हैं और ऐसे noun और pronoun जो कि more than one है number में उनके साथ भी यूज करते हैं. Then we have creative skill. Time to do. A. Tick the correct words in the brackets. First, they was/were in the museum last evening. The correct answer is were. Why? Because they is a plural pronoun. Second, Rohit and Rahul was/were at the party last Sunday. The correct answer is were. Why? Because there are two person. Okay? Now we have third, we was/were in same class last year. Now we have the word we. We refers to plural pronoun. So that's why we'll use were. Fourth, the weather was/were fine this morning. Now We have the word weather. Weather is a singular noun, so we'll use was. Fifth, Ruby was/were angry yesterday. Now, Ruby is a singular noun, so that's why we'll use was. Sixth, they was/were in the zoo last Sunday. Now, they is a plural pronoun, so we'll use were. Seventh, he was/were with me yesterday. Now, he is a singular pronoun, so that's why we use was. Eighth, the bag was/were not there yesterday. The answer is was. Was/were plus ing form. First, he was flying a kite yesterday. Now, was and were, the rules were same for was and were. Okay. But we have added verb plus ing. So here you can see he, according to he, we have used was because it is a singular pronoun. We have used was. Then we have flying. Fly is the main verb. We have added ing to it. That's how it makes he was flying a kite yesterday. वो कल पतंग उड़ा रहा था. तो जब ऐसा शब्द, जब ऐसे वर्ड्स आते हैं बेसिकली हमारे उड़ा रहा था, रही थी, ये वाली जो चीजें आते हैं, that's where we use ing. Second, we were playing a friendly football match yesterday. हम सब कल एक फ्रेंडली मैच खेल रहे थे. So that's why we have were playing. Third, they were eating ice cream yesterday. हम सब ने कल आइसक्रीम खाई थी. Now B, fill in the blanks with was/were and ing form of verbs given in the brackets. First, he dash play then. Answer is was playing. Second, I dash eat my breakfast. Was eating. Third, Megha dash do her homework. The answer is was doing. Fourth, Rahul and Pranav dash run in the meadow. The answer is were running. Fifth, Priya dash jump on the bed. The answer is was jumping. Sixth, we dash work hard. Were working. Now we have the seventh one. They dash have their dinner. The answer is were having. Eight, Pranav dash watch TV. The answer is was watching. Now we have review. We use was and were in place of is and are when we talk of something that has already happened. Was और were is and are की जगह हम तब यूज करते हैं जब हम किसी चीज के बारे में बात कर रहे हो जो कि already happen हो चुकी है. We use was with nouns or pronouns that are one in number. हम was का तब यूज करते हैं उन nouns और pronoun के साथ जो कि one होते हैं नंबर में. We use were with you or more than one in number. हम were you के साथ यूज करते हैं और ऐसे nouns और pronoun के साथ यूज करते हैं जो more than one होते हैं numbers में. So I hope kids you enjoy learning with me. We'll meet in the next class. Bye bye.